Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Halal Foodie Zone. This is Omer. In today's video, we're going to be staying indoors and I'm going to share with you a recipe for one of my favorite desserts. Let's get started. Okay, so we got all the ingredients we need. Got 2 cups of pancake mix, 2 tablespoons shredded coconut, some sliced almonds, some oil. I got 1.5 cup water, some brownies, and 2 tablespoons chocolate chips. Okay, so we've got our pancake mix in the blender. The next thing I'm gonna do is add some shredded coconuts. And some sliced almonds. The rest we're gonna use later. Maybe a little bit more. Yep, there we go. Okay, next add 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, next we're going to add 1.5 cup water. And we're going to put it in the blender. Alright, we blended it really well. I put a plate here just so I don't get it on my clothes. Alright, next step is to add the chocolate chips. So let's go ahead and add that to our mixture. Give it a good mix. Okay, our waffle maker is ready. I've sprayed some oil. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the batter. Looks good. Let's take it out. Now this is my favorite part. We're gonna start with brownies first. These are brownie bites. Next step is to add ice cream. You can choose any flavor you like. Sprinkle some almonds. Chocolate wafer sticks. Some maple syrup, and some chocolate syrup. Sprinkle some chocolate chips. Okay, our waffles are ready. The batter is enough for 3 waffles. So I've got one here. I'm gonna go ahead and have a bite. Got my waffle. I'm gonna grab a piece of brownie, maybe a smaller piece. Some ice cream. There we go. And I got my big bite here. Nice, warm, sweet. You can taste the chunks, the chocolate chips, the coconut, shredded coconut. You can taste that. You can taste the sliced almonds. It's delicious. You too can try this at home. I'm gonna go back to enjoying my delicious dessert here. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next exciting video. Give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Stay safe, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Allah Hafiz.